Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a ton coin and ecosystem. Not coin, dogs, hamster, and CATI. Basically the meme sector. Let's dive in. Right, guys. I want to start with the ton coin. First of all, this FEEP still relevant. I guess I track this token since 2023, and nothing special happened. Now we test 23 level FEEP. Here it was in March 2025. Now, like you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8 weeks we trade and hold the line at 38 level FEEP. So recapitulation, once again, it's a zero level, $1.79, or even the 27 block, $1.25, 97 cents. I don't think so. We will drop that low. If we will, basically, I think it will be the confirmation and the new bottom of the bear market. So it means it was the top. It's hard to say. About a timing, but I don't think so. We will drop that low now because BTC dominance should go, I guess, over than maybe not 80, but 70% or even 75. In this case, yes, all liquidity from the altcoins can go into BTC again, but I think we'll see something opposite way. So BTC will go in a range or in some correction if nothing will happen in the world. Of course, guys, of course, because world going crazy now with all of this elites, with all of this wars. So it's craziness. And next target and new all-time high for ton, I guess, will be around $9.75. So this is my take for ton. On a distance, yes, of course, this token can hit even the maybe the $20 or so, but for this cycle, it's $9.75, $12.80. So this is my take. By indicators, I want to show you just the main one because I don't want to show you all one now for all tokens because it will be so long video. I want to show you just the main one, take profit and money power. So what we can see now on the ton on the weekly, we hold the line at the buy line. So it's really important level. So we hold the line here. Take profit line is $5.86. Fundamental value of this token is $2.19. Weekly time frame accumulation was 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks here. In average, like let's say 295, 360, 349, 311. So around, I guess, 3 and 10. So this is average price of some big guys. And no new money inflow now on ton. Daily time frame, yes, step by step somebody accumulated, right? Because everybody understand one day the BTC dominance will go down. Buy line on the daily now $2.16. Highly recommend you. This is just the updates. I highly recommend you if you're interested, go and check the main videos about all of these tokens. Not coin. I remember around here everybody screaming we're going to the moon because you're jealous, you doubt about it, you're not happy in this token, top games, all of these trends, guys. All zones of interest market on the next day after listing. Not even here. On the next day after listing, I guess. Because here it was a correction to 38 level FEEP, and we skyrocket. Everybody started screaming, no, we never dropped to your zone of interest. It was the May 2024. So imagine the year ago, I shared all zone of interest, and they absolutely still the same until this model not invalidated. So in validation of this model, if the not coin will dump on the listing price, so it's 0.3077. Now we hold the line, pretty good one at the best zone to buy. If you want to buy this token now, of course you can do this one with high risk. Definitely it's a high risk. If the ton perform, I think all ecosystem will follow. And usually we go to 27 block, it will be 350%. And around this liquidity pool, it will be maybe even the end of cycle for this token. Who knows? Because it will be the 50% of this range. Now we just like in a global range, we can sweep liquidity pool, this one 778% from these current prices. From low, it will be, I guess, around 1K percent profit. So it's a pretty good one. If you believe in new all-time high, I highly recommend you go and check the market capitalization and understand is it possible or not. Of course, everything possible in crypto, but this cycle, guys, totally different. And I recommend you to work with the more realistic price targets. So a local one, it will be the fulfill test 0.5 level by FIB this summer or autumn. It's hard to say. The eyes on BTC dominance. So 0.204, it will be the fulfill first one. Next one is 23 level by FIB 0.206. And after that, 27 block, like order block, and maybe this liquidity pool. So everything pretty simple, guys. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the first video about a not coin with all of these zones. Just an educational purpose, so you understand why we landed to this zone. Everything, like spoiler, everything is so simple because the market makers use the algorithmic trades. So it's not, and why we stop it here. It's not because they traded by hands, or some fear and greed. No, with all of the things what happened in the world or without, the price will drop or pump to the target what market makers market before make a deal with the venture funds, with some big guys, with centralized exchanges. So this is how in real the market works. Not about a partnership on all of these things, or how many people top the game, how many users do we got. Guys, it's absolutely mean nothing. Accumulation was here in January at 75, February at 0.2021. So around here, 21 was the accumulation. Now we're almost at the same level. And no accumulation, but we are in the middle. So this was accumulation, now we're in the middle. So would be good to see the pump from these current prices or not. It's just, that's the question. So I would like to see the buy line test again. So it's 0.2015. This is the current buy line. Take profit 0.2031. If we take a look on the news in the world, of course, more logical now to see the test of the buy line, even the maybe fundamental volume. 12 time frame, yes, we close it to the test of the buy line, 0.2016 and 92. No money inflow yet. So I recommend you create alert and track the buy line, this one, on 12 time frame. Docs, absolutely the same story, the same FIP, the same model. I recommend you go and check the Docs first video. And if you watch it, congrats, you save 1000% drop. And yes, I know what I'm talking about, because if you hop in here, you down not 91%, because people mislead. Influencer mostly mislead the people. So they told you always what? They told you buy the dip. So hop in here, and after that use the CA. So for example, they tell you, oh, it's just 92% down. But if we pump from these current prices 92% up, this will be the target. So that's the point. And this is your entry, for example. So that's the point. So we're down not 91%, we're down 1000% gains, because to recover back at break even, the pump should be over than 1000% gain. So this is how it works. This is how you have to count. So we drop even under the best zone to buy invalidation based on this model. The zone of fixation is here. So if you believe in dogs, if you believe in ton ecosystem, 1121%, possible target. If the ton will not pump, if something happened with the Telegram, for example, or with the Durv again, some investigation or rest, all ecosystem can drop even lower. So just be careful. Take profit, money power. Money inflow was here exactly at the best zone to buy. 0.3019, 0.3013. So now we're on just at the same level where we see the money inflow. Now, like you can see, no money inflow, nothing. All right, daily, yes, money inflow here. Current one, pretty good one. Buy line is 0.3010. So if you want to buy this token, better, of course, wait the buy line. It's just small tip. with targets I showed you. Some money inflow on the way. Hamster, take a look how the algorithmic works, guys. We drop here, bounce and reject at exactly at 61 level view. Now we reject it as 86 till penny. Here was a till penny like support. So if you follow your money management strategy, you could buy from level to level. Here you could buy, here's 71%, you could fix. At the top it was almost 100. You could withdraw initial deposit. So always, I told you, safety trade, withdraw initial deposit. So of course the hamster even worse than dogs or CATI, because it's just what absolutely random games. And I even don't know how the people buying this token at 1 cent. I know the explanation why do they buy it, because they dream about the $1 price, the psychological trick. All the time when they see the token with a few zeros, like it's work all the time, every single cycle. So you see that token with 0.3092. Influencers show you super strategy how to become rich. You just need to invest all your money, or at least $100, right, in hamster token. And imagine one day $1 confirmed, and people start counting. Wow, is it really? I can invest now $1, $100, or 1K, and I get like 5 million tokens, for example. Wow. Definitely, I will be the diamond hand. I will wait till $1. So this is how it works. Every single cycle, we got this model and this role model from the influencer. So guys, don't be trapped. Don't be trapped. Turn on your brains and analyze the market. So weekly time frame, guys. If you want accumulate this token and you wait this zone, finally we landed to this zone. Based on your risk money management, target for fixation profit is 100% pump. You withdraw initial deposit, 27 block. It's the zone where you need to fix the swing trades. If you believe in high targets, 2 cents, 3 cents for hamster, you can wait it. But we talk about this zone. Now, what's going on now with the hamster? Take profit here, no money inflow. At least on other tokens, we saw the money inflow on the weekly time frame. Now nothing. Daily, here's some money inflow, so at least we can see some bounce. And we trade on the Firma wallet. Firma wallet, it's 0.2011. Take profit 0.203. So this is a local targets. 12-hour time frame. I guess soon we will see the take profit test, 0.2028. And yes, some money inflow into hamster, just like speculation, not because some big guys believe in this project. Or CATI, the same story. We drop under the best zone to buy. Same chart like dogs. So cats and dogs, the same. All right. So this is a zone where okay to buy. This is a fixed local swing trade zone and sell side liquidity. So up to you, accumulate or not. Invalidation, under 2 cents. A daily time frame, same story. So this is like a range, like a chop. Take a look with take profit and money power. Daily, at least we got a accumulation, money inflow. Buy line now it's 7 cents and 2. Fundamental value it's 5 cents 21. Take profit 13.93. Exit line 15.70. So I showed you exact target where more than okay in and out based on money and the money management and risk management. 12-hour time frame here 6 cents 58 and take profit 13.59. So guys, all main targets I showed you before. So I recommend you just an educational purpose, double check the main videos. So this is just a local updates, what's going on now. And I hope you watch it, all videos about a dogs, hamster, not CATI, and not hopping, and now not in losses like not a 90%, but not in losses 1000%, because to out of the break even, at least we need to pump 500% or 7 or 1000. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment What is your favorite from these four? Not dogs, hamster, catty. Which one is your favorite one? Or do you believe in ton ecosystem or not? If you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.